Hi guys, my name's Amit and welcome to today's video on the CBS Automotive YouTube channel, where we'll be looking at this absolutely stunning brand new Range Rover. So what we've done today is actually for a returning client of ours. Now the customer's had this system fitted multiple times in his previous vehicles and he's just bought this new one and it came straight here to have this upgrade. Now if you've seen from the title of today's video, today we're talking about Target Blu Eye 2. It's an amazing bit of kit. And I'm sure you've seen it all over our videos and social media before, but if you don't know, I'll explain now. So what it is an emergency service warning device. So it has a display and an audible tone warning you when you are approaching any emergency service vehicle, whether that be fire, ambulance, marked or unmarked police. It's a really neat device and something that whenever you have it installed in one car, if you ever drive anything else, it has to be there. In all of our own cars, especially in my vehicles, I hate driving without it, and it's one of the first things I install whenever I get a new car. Now, for this customer, we've actually managed to do something really special. Now, normally with Target Blu Eye, you have the option of going into the mirror display, as you've seen on some of our other content, or the other LCD display. Now, on this Range Rover, going into the mirror wasn't an option, unfortunately, and using the LCD just wasn't to what the client wanted. Now, what we've actually managed to do here was come up with a really neat solution. I think one of the first in the world to ever do this, but was to integrate the Target Blu Eye display into the factory heads-up display of the car. Now it's a really neat solution and something I think is really beautiful, and we're going to start doing even more now in future installs. But as you can see, it works really nicely, really seamlessly, and doesn't block any of your other displays for your heads-up display. Keeps it in sight, and it's something that's always visible. Even if you have the audible tones off, you're still going to get that warning. In terms of the install of how it is carried out, you have the aerials located at the front of this vehicle, and the module is all hidden away, professionally installed, so there's nothing visible apart from those lights on the heads-up display. Now, if you're interested in having a Target Blu Eye system just like this fitted to your car, and potentially even in the heads-up display like on this one, feel free to get in contact with us. Check us out on the website and other social medias, and we'll be able to get a quote out to you and get this fitted to your car. So thank you for watching today's video on the CBS Automotive YouTube channel, and if you're interested in future content like this, be sure to subscribe and like down below. Thank you for watching.